Have you ever really considered what that daily cup of coffee actually costs you? You're gonna love this. There's no cup holders in this thing. So I just stepped foot in my local Starbucks on the way. Unfortunately, at home I ran out of my creamer and actually coffee, both of them at the exact same time. It's a terrible morning. Anyway, so I ordered this venti caramel brulee on my app, and I was actually astonished about how expensive Starbucks coffees are now. This one came to $6.38. That's a pretty big deal, actually, if you think about it. Now, I did get an extra shot, to be fair, but if you're not going to get the extra shot and get a little extra, caffeine in your coffee, what's the point, right? Anyway, so I thought about it. The $6.38 that it cost me, if I had just done that, let's say every single day, because I'm working and I just wanted to reward myself, and hell, I deserve it, right? That $6.38 actually comes out to a pretty substantial amount, right around $2,300 a year. Now, if I had taken that $2,300 a year, and instead of buying this lovely cup of coffee, let's say I just got some free stuff from at work, which is quite honestly not great at all, but it would work. If I took the $2,300 and put it into an IRA or maybe the 401k and didn't even get a match, but got a nice solid 8% return, maybe I bought one of those S&P 500 index funds, let's say VOO, I'd get about an 8% return. Well, that $2,300 over 40 years, let's say you started at the age of 20, over 40 years at 8%, you know what that equals? You got it. You'd be a millionaire. $1 million exactly. So when you get up every morning and you think, hey, I deserve it, let me swing by the local Starbucks and pick up that cup of coffee, think about it. That cup of coffee is not $5 or in this case $6.38. It's $1 million, folks.